Hello my dear students, today we are going to see the area of the circle. Circle has been cut into 32 equal parts. See, listen, as well as our flag we have cut into 32 equal sectors, okay? So in that the numbers will be differ. So in this circle we have cut into 32 equal sectors. Then the assembled shape begins to look more or less like rectangle. As the top and bottom of rectangle is more or less equivalent to the circumference of the circle. Top of the rectangle is half of the circumference is equal to pi r. The area of the rectangle is equal to L into B. What is that? The area of the rectangle is equal to L into B. So according to that we have to substitute that given. So listen, pi r into r, pi equal to pi r squared. Then it is the area of the circle. What is the area of the circle? Pi r square is the area of the circle. Area of the circle is equal to A is equal to pi r square units. Exercise, so listen, first of all we are going to start the exercise 2.2. so first of all listen, find the area of the dining table whose diameter is 105 centimeter. Whose diameter is 105 centimeter. So what is that? Diameter D is equal to 105 centimeter. Radius R is equal to D by 2. It is equal to 105 divided by 2 centimeter. So area of the circle, it is equal to pi r square units. Okay, what is the value for pi? It is 22 by 7 into 105 divided by 2 into 105 divided by 2. We know that we have to cancel for each and everything. So listen, first of all 11 into while cancelling those number we get that 7.5. okay, so after that we have to take again it will be divided by 2, then we get that answer as 7.5. then while multiplying those number we get that answer 8662.5. okay, then see, listen, we have to give the area of a circular dining table is equal to, like that we have to write the answer. Then for second sum, calculate the area of the short put circle. So listen, short put circle is nothing but it will be like that. So now we are going to see that whose radius is 2.135 meter. Radius of the short put ring, it is equal to R is equal to D by 2. It is equal to 2.135 divided by 2 meter. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square units. So we have to substitute the given. See, listen, we know that 2.135 divided by 2 is the r. So we have to substitute twice because the formula is r square. It is equal to 23.485 into 2.135 divided by 14. Then we get the answer as 50.140475 while multiplying this number. Then after that we should write after point we should write only 3 digit, so that we have to write that area of the short put is equal to 3.581 meter. Clear? Now after that the sprinkler placed at the center of the flower garden sprays water covering a circular area. If the area watered is 1386 centimeter square, find its radius and diameter. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square units, we know. So we have to substitute that circular portions watered is equal to 1386 centimeter square. Pi r square is equal to 1386. 22 divided by 7 into r square. It is equal to 1386. R square is equal to, we know that answer 1386 into 7 divided by 22. Then we get that answer as like that. So we have to do the cancellation. Then we get the answer as 63 into 7. So r square is equal to 9 into 7 into 7. We get that answer as r square is equal to 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Then while taking square numbers, we should get that only 3 into 7 it is equal to 21, or radius r is equal to 21 centimeter, 2r is equal to 42 centimeter. The circumference of the circle park is 352 meter. Find the area of the park. We know that circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. Then what is given? Circular park is equal to 352, then 2 pi r is equal to 352. R is equal to 352. While moving this, while moving the right hand side 2 pi, we get the answer 352 divided by 2 into 22 by 7. 352 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. We get that answer as, so first of all we have to cancel those things. Then we get the answer 56 meter. Area of the park is equal to pi r square units. Then we get that answer 22 divided by 7 into 56 into 56. Then we get the answer as 9856 meter square. Area of the circular path is equal to 9800 meter square, students. So we have completed first 4 sums from 2.2 exercise. I have told you in class itself, that is 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th sum I have explained you. Just do it in the classwork. Okay, we are having these 4 sums and 2.2 exercise. We are having another 4 sums. So just do it. Okay, thank you, students. If you are having any doubt, just consult with me. If you see, listen. First of all, you have to draw the circle for each and every sum. Okay, sorry, for given sum. Okay, thank you, students.